Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching about a important chapter of trigonometry, that is compound angle. Compound angle sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Let XOR be A angle, then ROP be angle B. Okay. From P, draw a perpendicular PM on OX and PR on OR and PQ on PM. Okay. Now sin A plus B is equal to sin POM, this angle. Okay, so PM by OP, perpendicular by hypotenuse. PM equal to PQ plus QM by OP. QM is equal to PN. So QM is equal to RN. So Rn by OP. Now PQ by OP, you multiply here PR into PR, and here OR into OR. Now I see that is PQ by PR. From this small triangle PQR, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So cos A, right here cos A, and PR by OP, that is from this triangle POR, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, So this is sin B, right here sin B. Okay, right here sin B, I write here, and Rn by OR, so this is sin A, perpendicular by hypotenuse, and OR by OP, that is OR, base by hypotenuse, so cos B. Then arrange sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now cos A plus B, this angle. So this is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay. PM by OP, PM by cos A plus B, PM by OP. Right here, sorry, PM, not PM, OM by OP. Okay, OM by OP, base by hypotenuse. Now OM is equal to ON by NR, right here, ON minus MN, right here, ON minus MN. Okay, what is MN? MN is equal to QR, right here QR. Okay, and ON by OR by OP, right here, PQ by PR and PR by OP. Then ON by OR, ON by ON, what is ON? ON by OR, base by hypotenuse cos A, right here cos A, OR by OR by OP, that is cos B. Okay, right here PQ by PR, that is PQ by PR, PQ by PR. So PQ by PR and PR by OP, PR by OP, PQ here, PQ by PR, sorry, RQ by PR, that is RQ, RQ by PR. So RQ by PR, that is sin A, and PR by OP, that is sin B, right here. So cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now from this triangle, this is the formula: sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, cos A minus B cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. At first write this angle QOM, that is A. Then clockwise QOP equal to B. So MOP is equal to A minus B. Okay. From Q draw a perpendicular. From P draw a perpendicular and produce from Q draw perpendicular here. So this is angle. This angle is A. So this angle is A. This is this angle, as because these are parallel. And that is 90, 90, that is 90 minus A, so that is 90, so this angle is A. Now sin A minus B, sin A minus B is equal to PM by OP, PM by OP, okay. PM equal to RM by RP, RM by OP, PR by OP. Now RM is equal to RM is equal to QN by OP and PR by OP. So QN by OQ, OQ by OP, PR by QP, QP by OQ. So QN by OQ, QN by OQ, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so sin A, and QP by OQ, OP, QP by OP, so this is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so this is sin B right here. Say cos B, QP by OP, that is QP by OP, that is cos B. Okay, QP by OP. What is OQ by OP? So that is cos B. Okay, right here cos B. Now PR by OQ, PR by OQ, so this is cos A, right here cos A, and QP by OQ, QP by OQ, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so this is sin B right here. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, and cos A minus B. What is cos A minus B? This angle OM by OP, OM equal to ON plus NM OP, NM equal to QR. So you can write here ON plus NM by OP, then ON by OP, NM by OP, then ON by OQ, OQ by OP, and put NM is equal to QR, then QR by QP, QP by OP. So ON by OQ, that is cos A, right here cos A, and OQ by OP, OQ by OP, that is cos B, right here cos B, okay, and cos B plus QR by QP. What is QR? That is QR by QP. So sin A, that is sin A, right here sin A, okay, plus sin A, and QP by OP, QP by OP, that is sin B. So cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now sin A plus B into sin A minus B, put the formula sin A cos B cos A sin B, put here formula sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, then A plus B whole square sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B, then putting cos square B equal to 1 minus sin square B, sin square B equal cos square equal to 1 minus sin square, then putting and cutting, then you get sin square minus sin square B, and if you put, that is 1 minus cos square, that is 1 minus cos B square, then cos square B minus cos square A. Similarly cos A plus B cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B cos square B minus sin square A. Tan A plus B sin A plus B by cos A plus B, put formula and dividing the numerator by cos A cos B, you get tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. Cot A plus B cos A plus B by sin A plus B, you put the formula and dividing both sides sin A sin B, then you get cot A plus cot B minus 1 cot B plus cot A. Cot A minus B cot A cot B plus 1 cot B minus cot A. Tan A plus B plus C, in this way you can do tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus tan A tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. Thank you so much.